Hi guys, myself Fleming Johnson. I'm currently working as a software development engineer in MPL. So I would like to share my experience with the 2D platformer project that I've done in Outscale, which was one of the milestones that helped me in being a part of MPL. So while talking about a 2D platform project, it was like a create a 2D like a game like Mario. We've been provided with the art assets, and we the task was to finish the coding part of the game. So it was in this project that I learned how to write a code in industrial standard, to be specific. So before this project, I was completely unaware of anything related to design patterns or game architecture or anything. But it's after that I was actually been able to like what to say. I learned how to think as a game developer. So the project was handled by Mayank sir. Um, in The project was actually split up into 6 assignments, where in each assignment there will be a mini task being given. Mini task in the sense like it may be a functionality that we have to implement inside Unity. Something like animation was one among them, and there was implementing locomotions to the characters, implementing enemy behaviors as well as player behaviors. So these were the tasks that were inside the 2D platformer project, and it was in total 6 assignments in it. So after completion of each assignment, there will be a group discussion session. So this session was also handled by Mayank sir. In it, he will be giving review to every assignments individually. So for us students, it was a great experience, like so, because it was for the first time our code was reviewed by a professional who have an industrial experience of more than 10 years. So that after this project, that for us, we started know how to develop a game. Like before that, when we develop our own personal projects as well, it was like we were doing stuff randomly because we didn't had a guidance regarding that. But after this, we understood what all are the practices that we have to follow, what all are the patterns we have to follow. So it was helping us a lot in avoiding a lot of common flaws that will be happening in developing a 2D platformer game. So that was actually a great experience from my side. So I would for sure will be recommending the course with everybody who's out there who really wish to be a industry oriented professional. Thank you.